Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Rosliana Dewi. I am from Stikers Sukabumi. In this presentation, I would like to present about our research with the title The Effect of Self-Management, Spirituality, and Social Support on the Quality of Life of Diabetes Mellitus Patient in the work area of the Karangtengah Public Health Center, Sukabumi City. Let me begin by explaining about introduction. Uncontrolled and improperly treated diabetes mellitus will become chronic and result in complication. This complication can result in diminished hope, making the patient quality of life extremely susceptible to deterioration. Several factors, include social support, spirituality, and self-management, influence the high or low quality of life of people with diabetes. Social support or social participation are increasingly recognized as important for disease management and might offer new perspective for improving the quality of life for people with chronic disease. Spirituality play a significant role in improving the quality of life for people with diabetes mellitus. Individuals with diabetes mellitus can have a high quality of life if they receive intensive care. Individuals with diabetes mellitus engage in diabetes self-management in order to manage their condition. This study aims to determine the impact of social support, spirituality, and self-management on diabetes mellitus patient quality of life. Now, like to move on the next part about method. This type of study is correlational and employ a cross-sectional design. The study was conducted at Sukabumi Karangtengah Health Center. For the population consisted of diabetes mellitus patient from Karangtengah Health Center work area in Sukabumi City, with the sample size of 121 individuals selected using the technique of purposive sampling. For the questionnaire, we are using diabetes self-management questionnaire, diabetes spiritual experience subscale, multidimensional scale of perceived social support, and diabetes quality of life. And then for the analysis, we are using path analysis for multivariate analysis. Let's now turn to research result. This is table 1 about characteristic of respondent. Based on the table 1, it shows that most of the respondent aged 36 until 45 years, female, senior high school education, married, not working, long suffering from diabetes mellitus 1 until 5 years. This is table 2 about univariate analysis. From based on the table 2, it shows the average value of the social support is 30.53. For the spirituality is 54.50. For the self-management is 35.08. And for the quality of life is 50.07. And then this is table 3 about direct effect, indirect effect, and the total effect of independent variable on QOL of diabetes mellitus patient. Based on table 3, show that the quality of life is direct effect by social support, spirituality, and self-management. Then the quality of life is also indirect influence by social support, through spirituality, through self-management, through spirituality and self-management. And quality of life is also indirect influence by spirituality, through self-management. And this is figure 1 about path analysis model for QOL diabetes mellitus patient. Social support provide diabetes mellitus patient with a sense of comfort, of being cared for and value, and of having willing people choose by patient with diabetes mellitus who have a high level of social support will have a positive outlook on all the problem and demand of healthy life because those area them are always willing to accompany and listen to their stranger. Spirituality enables diabetes mellitus patients to interpret their illness as a positive life event. Spirituality can also aid in the recovery from chronic illness by providing support, confidence, and hope. Spirituality or religious belief is essential for coping well. Spirituality is also effective in assisting with the modification of undesirable behaviors. Self-management is achieved by developing a plan for the patient diabetes. The majority of diabetes treatment play improve diet, physical activity, and if necessary, insulin or oral medication. Self-management is the capacity to control a condition and influence cognitive, behavioral, and emotional response in order to meet the requirement for a high quality of life. And then this is conclusion. According to research findings, social support, spirituality, and self-management can enhance the quality of life of diabetes patient. That's all I have to say about my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.